Hello all, welcome to Adlax kitchen. Today's recipe is Stuffed Paneer Dosa. Let's start with the ingredients. Heat the pan and add some oil. Once oil is hot, add ginger garlic paste and saute for a while. Now add onion paste and saute till the raw smell goes off. Salt as per the taste. Once the onions are slightly brown, add turmeric powder about 1/4 teaspoon and mix well. Once onions are sauteed well, next add tomato paste. I have taken 1 tomato. Mix well and saute till the raw smell goes off. Lightly move the onion tomato paste to one side. Add a teaspoon of oil. Now we will add all the masalas. A small piece of hing, half teaspoon of jeera powder, about 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, about 2 teaspoon of red chili powder, garam masala. Fry until the raw smell goes off. Now mix everything together. Now add crushed Kasoori methi and mix well. Now add the main ingredient, crushed paneer. Add some water and mix well. Add more water if required and mix well. Allow the gravy to boil and cover and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now the paneer masala is ready, and finally garnish with few coriander leaves. Heat the dosa tawa and pour 1 ladle of dosa batter and spread the batter as required. Now cover and cook for few minutes. When it is slightly brown, spread the masala and cook for few minutes.